Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and today we are gonna show you how to do Korean barbecue. It's my little brother's birthday, uh, and we are driving early to our favorite Korean grocery store to pick our favorite cuts of meat. Since today's plan is to do easy Korean barbecue, we're gonna be choosing cuts that are easy to grill, which means and marinated meats because there's just easier cleanup. You're not gonna have to be able to you're not gonna need to deal with a lot of smoke because of it. It's not marinated and there's just easier cleanup. Uh, Joong Boo market. This market is our favorite place to go to for um, Korean food, and we're gonna be picking Chadolbaegi, samgyeopsal, and that's basically it, and some kimchi. And for dips, we're gonna go super simple. We're gonna be mixing gochujang and doenjang to make samjang, but you don't need to do that because you can buy samjang in the supermarket, and we're gonna be dipping it up also in sesame oil. Um, my favorite kind of sesame oil would be otogi sesame oil. You can also use gochujang, which is basically vinegar and fermented pepper paste with aromatics and sugar. And we usually use gochujang for hue or raw seafood, but it's also pretty good, I think, with the meat. Um, Also, we
Anong
can
ginagawa mo?
also use
Tapos
a
ka na ba
little bit of
kumain?
some of lettuce
Ha? Ay,
and
grabe.
perilla
Ayan na naman
leaf,
siya.
so we can make a sam or a wrap.
Hindi pa hihiwain mo na.
Ha? Pwede mong gupitin na.
Tipan mo na.
Hiwalay ko lang. Gupitin mo. Ayun yung gunting. Ha? Gupitin mo.
And
Haba.
probably if you want to do Korean barbecue at home, you
Papahinga
might
naman
need
itong
to
batang to.
Bakit ba?
have the utensils to go with it. So it's pretty cheap. You can buy this anywhere from the grocery store, or you can buy this online. You can get a portable gas stove. It's usually around $20, and you can buy canisters of gas for around the same price too. Uh, it's not that expensive. And now we're gonna show you how to make somek, which is soju and mekju. Soju is this green bottle, and Maekju is Korean for beer, so we call it somek. And if you saw what my sister did, she held the bottle with two hands. It's a very Korean way of pouring drinks for older people. It's a sign of respect that if you're pouring drink for somebody older than you, you have to hold it with two hands. Even when you're paying in the grocery store, it's a sign of respect to hold your credit card with two hands while paying if your cashier is older than you. And now we're going to show you how to make a sam, which is a wrap. You can wrap your barbecue with the red leaf lettuce and perilla leaf. We also got this from the grocery store. We also got pine mushrooms that we slice lengthwise so we can grill it, and it's pretty good. So you get your meat, you dip it in sesame oil with a little bit of flavored salt and black pepper, and then you put your samjang paste. You can buy this in the grocery store as well. You can put pine mushroom, and if you have roasted seaweed, you can put one, two, or if you have roasted garlic, you can. If you grilled some garlic on the hot plate, you can put some garlic there too. And then you can wrap it like this, and then you go all in.
Maxim.
It's
Maxim.
one bite.
Maxim. Ah. Ayaw.
Also, as you can see, there's a lot of plate, and if you don't really like washing dishes, I think it would be better if you if you buy some paper plates to go with this, it's also a good idea to do the barbecue outside your house because of the smoke and some of the oil splatters all over the place. So and if you have a table, it's better if you have a dark tablecloth that you can cover it with, or you can use newspaper. So it's just easier cleanup. You can stick your tablecloth in the washing machine right away after dinner, or if you used newspapers, you can chuck it in the garbage right away. And now we're showing you that you can also grill your kimchi on the hot plate, and it's gonna give it a different dimension because the kimchi is kind of sour and acidic and spicy, but the flavor mellows out after you grill it. It turns a little sweeter and just much better.
Wala naman tayo inumin pala.
Juice.
Yes ba yan? Beer to eh. Para naman mag-reflect si Mami.
Also, my little goddaughter, my little niece, teacher Rachel's YouTube is her favorite YouTube, and she usually calms down after watching it, or it's a good diversion for her. So if you're doing something, it's a good idea to turn on teacher Rachel's YouTube. She really loves that channel. Yeah, so if you have kids at home that like little rhymes, it's a pretty good channel to keep them calm, and I think that's a good idea to just play it over and over, and they never get really tired of it. It's crazy. But I do get tired of it because sometimes I hear teacher Rachel in my sleep.
Naon si Mama? Mama? Mama?
Happy birthday, Dikong! Pakita nga. Smile ka nga dyan, Maxim. Smile.
Yung tagal.
Eh? Eh? Eh, gusto mo ba yan? Gusto mo ba yan? Eh? Ano yan? Nag-whistle. Gusto mo mag-whistle? Ha?
Yeah, so just a little recap on our barbecue. We caught the buljip samgyeopsal, which literally translates to honeycomb, or bul is bee and jip is house. So beehive. I think they named it Beehive pork belly because they scored it into X, and somehow they look like beehives. And we also got the regular samgyeopsal and Chadolbaegi. Samgyeopsal is just a regular sliced pork belly, and Chadolbaegi is thinly sliced beef brisket, which is really good for barbecue because of the marbling. It has a lot of fat. Yeah, so if you're very new to cooking or very new to Korean barbecue, this is a great idea to grill first because it's very simple. There's not a lot of preparation that needs to be done. You can grill it right out of the packet.
O, Dikong, say hi to my vlog.
He doesn't really talk, guys. He's always like that.
Hi, guys.
Yung mga bisita.
Sungat-sungat.
Yung isa pang Amboy.
Yung isa pang Amboy, ayan. Ayan na, ang bagong Amboy. He just passed his interview. He's gonna get his blue passport too. Ito pa ang bagong Amgirl. Bagong American girl. Go, Maxim! Hey! Ang arte. Ay, nako. Oh, Maxim!
Say hi daw. Say
Hi to my vlog.
Say hi daw.
Say hi to the vlog. Ay, Diyos ko, ba't ba? Ano, pwede na ba yan? Yun ang secret para madali ang barbecue. Dapat may taga-barbecue. Kaya yung mga bunso. Ayan.
The youngest are usually taxed with a grill.
Lapit na rin maglalakad siguro yan. Mata yun eh.
And guys, si Kevin naman ang magmumukbang ngayon. Kevin. Kanina pa. Anong oras na ba? Anong oras na dito? Alas 9 na ba nun? Nakadalawang oras na pala tayo rito.
We've been grilling and eating for 2 hours, guys.
Oo. Medyo mainit nga kanina eh. Kapag mahangin, malamig.
Lalabas ako ng trabaho. Nakita may...
Bakit GD? What do you want? What do you want? Gusto mo lumabas? Okay, come on.
Malaki pa doon.
GD, where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you. Asan na si GD? Asan na ba si GD? Hindi ko na makita si GD. GD, asan si GD? GD? GD, asan si GD? Hindi ko na makita si GD. Ha? Nasaan si GD? Asan na si GD? Hindi ko makita. GD, where are you? GD? GD, nandito ba si GD? Asan ba si GD? Asan si GD? Hindi ko makita. Ay, yan.
And this is another trick for you guys. This is a good bug repellent. You can light up some lemongrass incense outside.
Ayan guys, nandito na isa pang sunog baga. Ayan. Number 1 sunog baga ng Pilipinas. Kumain ka na ba, Daddy? Nasa freezer yung pompa, no? Matamis yung black, di ba? Matamis yung black. Tikman mo. Anong lasa? May buto. Matamis ano? Matamis yung ano, yung... Kunin mo yung black. Oh, matamis? Oh. Okay guys, this is our dessert.
It's Tita Linda's grapes. Thanks, Tita Linda.
Akala ko mahuhulog sa akin eh. Tatakbuhan na sa taas eh.
Right? Sweet.
Bago ka mo eh, pag tingin mo sa banyo sa salamin eh, may tingin ka patanguan. Sige lang, mas makami na eh. Liko mo sa warehouse.
So sweet.
Ito doon, tagal na tambak na eh. May pasulit pa siyang powder. Brand new. Parang chill na.
You want this? You want to be a vegan? You want to be a vegan? Here, try this. You have to eat healthy too. Eat. Eat. Good boy. Good boy. Eat. Eat. Oh yeah, good boy. Good boy. Kinain mo ba? Kinain ba ni GD? GD. Yummy ba? Masarap ba? Ayaw naman kainin. Good boy. Ay! Ayaw kainin. May lalabak mo lang. GD, come on, dude. GD, eat. Mukbang. GD. GD. GD.